How can you fix issue called Snapchat account is permanently or temporarily disabled? How can you solve this issue if you cannot log in into your Snapchat account that this is showing that this account is temporarily disabled? How can you fix that setting and log into your account again? So first of all, guys, we need to understand two things: that why this problem is happening. That reason is there is must be some error in your account password or synchronization. So for this you just need to reset your password, your snap password, and after that you can surely log in into your account and there will be no such problems will you face again. So for this we just have to go on already logged in. I will log out this account from here. Let me just do it. So you can see this menu. I will click whenever you will open your Snapchat, you will see this menu. What you have to do, click on the use other account option here and click on the forgot password. You can select via phone or email that is registered in your phone to reset your password. You can accordingly click on the icon. If you have phone, so you just have to click on the phone. If you have email, so just click on the email here. After resetting your password, go to your app store here on your mobile like this and search for Snapchat application on this menu and you will see your Snapchat here. Just update your Snapchat version or Snapchat application from here, because this problem also happens if you don't update your application since a long time. So this is all about this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.